Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another kit unboxing, and this time we've got Arsenal's 2024-2025 away kit in collaboration with Lab Rum. They are a design studio based out in England, and their main inspiration for this kit was to retell the story of Africa's diaspora, but most importantly to also celebrate Arsenal's black heritage, to celebrate all the iconic black players that have played for the football club. And obviously kit is black. You've got green and red stripes along the collar and the three stripes, and then you've got like these white patterns that adorn the Adidas template for this particular season. What I would have loved is to see more of these patterns all along the kit in other places. Nonetheless, it is a simple kit. It is quite safe. It is clean. There you've got the Visit Rwanda logo on the sleeve. But I do just wish that there were more of those patterns all across the kit, which I feel do actually pay homage to Africa's diaspora quite well. So, do I think it's the greatest kit? It's certainly better than last season's yellow away kit monstrosity.